Describing my family. My family is composed by my dad, my mom, my sister, and my brother. The name of my dad is Uwarisa is Virginia. She is 58 years old. She is an old and person. She has brother and niece. She has a short behavior. The name of my mother is Ramona de Leon. She is unworried. She is 48 years old. She is a tall and skinny person. She has a large black hair. She is kind and loving person. The name of my brother Haider Arisa. He is a student. He is 50 years old. He is full asking person. He has brains. Yeah, he is intelligent. The name of my sister is Lady Harrison. She is a student. She is 22 years old. She is a tall and skinny person. He has a large black hair.